Hey, good evening, students. Here I welcome you to my English class, and today's topic is dogs. But before that, we will do some recapitulation. The recapitulation points are: we have done already the previous chapters. We have revised the question answers, and we have cleared our all doubts of the previous chapters. So now we will do the next chapter, that is dogs, and you can see that before dogs there are two questions, that is one is value based question and other is one type of paragraph, that is an experience. Okay, so A9 I would like to discuss with you, that is the value based question is: some children had gone for a picnic on a beach. After eating their food, they threw the wrappers on the beach and in the sea. Were they right in doing so? Means the question is that some of the children has gone to picnic during beach. You all know a beach. What is a beach? We have visited also. You people have also been visited. Okay. So we can see that near the beach many eatables are sold, isn't it? But what people do generally, they eat that eatables over there, but instead of throwing it in the dustbin, they throw here and there. That creates a dirtiness. That means it. What it creates, that the sea gets polluted through this, and it's a very harmful for the sea animals who are living in the sea. What is the reason behind? The reason is that they died, isn't it? That's the reason we should always maintain cleanliness near the beaches. Whenever the dustbins are kept, we should always throw the plastic things or any eatables in that dustbin only. Okay. So the question is, after eating their food, they were throwing wrappers on the beach and the sea. Okay. So first of all, this thing was wrong. This should not be done. We all know we should not pollute the sea. Okay. As the nature has given us a very nice beauty to explore, so we should not destroy the beauty of it, isn't it? So were they right doing so? Obviously not. They were not right. Okay. They were just polluting the sea. They were just as I said, they were just destroying the beauty of the sea. This should not be done. So what would you like to do to restore the natural beauty and cleanliness of the beach? Means what you want to do if you want to save the beauty of the nature and to maintain the perfect cleanliness. So first of all, to maintain the natural beauty of the beach and the sea, we will eat the things, we will buy the things, we will eat the things, but we will throw the things in the dustbin given over there, not in the sea, not near the sea. Okay. Secondly, we should not pollute the things with the eatables. Means if we are eating in a wrapper food or in a paper based food, we should not throw that wrappers on the sea. Okay, we should throw in the dustbin. As I said you earlier, if plastics, any non-eatables are found in the sea, then it's very hard that the animals which are living in the sea, they will not survive at all. They will be affected because of us. So to save them, we should always make sure that whenever we go, we should always use dustbins for throwing the eatables or the plastic wrappers. Okay, so I hope you have already understood what is to be right in A9. These are some points I have discussed. Please go through the video very carefully, listen to the points and then write on your own. After that, I will again make you write. Okay, A9 value based question, I'll make you write, but first of all you people will try yourself. And for you I have written the A10, that is, imagine yourself to be the woman who was saved by the dolphin. Describe in few sentences what happened to you. I have already written it, you can copy it, but I'll be very happy if you will write on your own also. Means you will use your own sentences, own words. That will be more easier to learn and you will be able to recapitulate it and understand it. Okay, see what I have written. One day I was on a boat on the sea. A wave pushed the boat and I fell into the water. I was so panicked that I was unable to swim in spite of knowing swimming. I thought for a while that I will be drowned and could not survive, but after a while a miracle happened. A dolphin who was nearby came near to me and helped me moving up to the shallow water. Then after some time I was able to breathe and I was alive. I could not believe that a dolphin has saved my life. Whenever I remembered this incident, I felt panic but also happy that my life was saved by a dolphin or saved because of a dolphin. Okay, so I hope you have got your answer and all of you will write in the copy. And the next topic is dogs. Okay, so we all know dogs are our great friends. They are intelligent and faithful and they are strong smelling power. These are the qualities of dog we all know. That's why dog is our favorite pet. We all know dogs are very loyal to their masters. Okay. So they have been doing various kinds of useful work for us. We are very clear. They do various kinds of job for us. Dogs take care of animals when they go for grazing. When animals go for grazing, dogs usually take care of them. They help the police to catch thieves. For example, Doberman, a very good example. We have seen they help the police people to catch the thieves, murderers. They guide the people who cannot see clearly. That means the people who are blind, they help the people to cross the roads. Okay. They save people caught in mountain storms. Okay. Small dogs like poodles are very cute. They perform in circus shows and entertain people. Poodle, we have all seen white color dog with a flowery tail. They also give company to those who are lonely. No wonder a dog is most favorite pet. That is very clear. We are all very clear. Dog is our most wanted and favorite pet. Everybody has a dog as a pet. Okay. Why? Because of this good reasons as we are studying in the chapter. Because they are very faithful, loyal, helpful and intelligent. And they are also great friends. Okay. So that's the reason dogs are good friends of the human beings. Okay, I hope you have all understood the paragraph. No issue should be there because it's a very interesting paragraph and nothing is there that is not understandable. If there it is, you can ask me. Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, and for this we have done today. Today's homework I have given you already, that you will write add information of at least 2 more breeds of dogs with their pictures. As I have said you that 6 species have already given. There are 150 kind of dogs. If you want to draw, you can draw. If you want to paste that dog picture and write a little bit information about them. Okay, as this example is written, like shepherd take care of grazing animals, Doberman helps police to catch thieves, Alsatian guides who cannot see, Saint Bernard saves people caught in storm, Poodle performs in circle shows, Pomeranian gives good company. Okay, so I hope you are all clear of it and you will be able to write. Means you will write any dog, paste the picture of any dog breed and write about it in a little bit information about it. Okay, nothing, two lines you can write. Okay, so I hope you have all understood whatever I have explained. There is nothing more to explain. Next class we will do the next chapter, that is at the zoo. Then we will go for the exercises further. Okay, so here I'll end my class. I hope I had make you understand. If not, you can ask me 1000 times. I am there to help you out. So take care all of you. Obey your parents, respect your teachers, do your assignments on time, send the assignments on time, study hard and stay at home, stay fit and stay happy. Okay, bye students, take care all of you, have a nice day.